Demat and trading account. A Demat, dematerialized, account is an account that enables individuals to hold their securities and stocks in an electronic form instead of physical certificates. The account provides a convenient and secure way of keeping track of investments in the stock market. In India, the Central Depository Services Limited (CDSL) and the National Securities Depository Limited (NSDL) are the two main depositories that provide Demat services. A Demat account is required for any individual who wishes to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. When you buy shares, the number of shares is credited to your Demat account, and when you sell, the shares are debited from the account. This makes it easier to keep track of your investments as all transactions are recorded electronically, and you can view your portfolio at any time. A trading account, on the other hand, is an account that allows you to trade in financial markets, such as the stock market. A trading account gives you the ability to buy and sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. When you place an order to buy or sell a security, the transaction is executed through your trading account. In India, opening both a Demat and trading account is a two-step process. First, you need to open a Demat account with a depository participant, DP, and then you need to open a trading account with a broker. The DP and broker will link your Demat and trading account, so all your trades will be automatically credited or debited from your Demat account. When choosing a DP for your Demat account, consider the following factors. Reputation. Choose a DP with a good reputation and a history of providing reliable services. Fees. Compare the fees charged by different DPs to find the best deal. Ease of use. The DP should provide an easy-to-use platform for managing your Demat account. Customer support. The DP should have a strong customer support system to assist you in case of any issues. When choosing a broker for your trading account, consider the following factors. Reputation. Choose a broker with a good reputation and a history of providing reliable services. Fees. Compare the fees charged by different brokers to find the best deal. Trading platform. The broker should provide a user-friendly trading platform with advanced features, such as real-time quotes, charting tools, and market news. Customer support. The broker should have a strong customer support system to assist you in case of any issues. Research and analysis tools. The broker should provide research and analysis tools to help you make informed investment decisions. Once you have opened both your Demat and trading account, you are ready to start investing in the stock market. It's important to remember that investing in the stock market involves risks, and you should carefully research and analyze any investment before making a decision. You should also regularly review your portfolio and make changes as needed to ensure that you are achieving your investment goals. In conclusion, a Demat account and a trading account are essential tools for any individual who wants to invest in the stock market. The Demat account provides a secure and convenient way to hold your securities, while the trading account enables you to buy and sell securities. When choosing a DP and broker, it's important to consider factors such as reputation, fees, ease of use, and customer support to ensure that you are making the best decision for your investment needs. Please like, subscribe and share our videos.